So today my team asked me to show you guys how to make a masala omelette. And I was like, listen guys, everybody knows how to make a masala omelette. We argued a little and guess who won? Right? Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a masala omelette. It's really simple, but we're also going to show you how to make eggs Kejriwal. Don't worry, there's nothing political about it and it's not named after the person you think it's named after. Let's get started with the recipe. Okay, so I'm just going to start heating this frying pan. Low heat, nothing fancy, nothing too high. And I've got some pav here, which I'm just going to butter up. And I'm doing this lightly, but it's not because I want to save any calories. You'll see by the end of the recipe why it's just a light dose of butter on this one. Okay, now that the pan has heated up, I'm just going to lightly toast this buttered side down. And the fragrance, I just love it. Smelling divine, so it must be toasted by now. Oh, yes it is. Okay. And now just over this, I'm going to put some cheese. I'm using a cheese slice. If you want to grate this also is fine. Over the buttered side. Just cover this and we're only going to let the cheese melt slightly, not all the way through. Okay, the cheese has melted only slightly. I'm just going to take this out of the pan and let it rest here. Now in the same pan, I'm going to start cooking the eggs and also tell you why this is called Eggs Kejriwal. Now this has been such a popular dish in Mumbai for like, what, over 4 decades? Because a certain Mr. Kejriwal loved eating this at the Willingdon Club and then everyone wanted to try it and it was named after him. So oil in the pan, just let it heat up slightly. Okay, so now I'm just going to crack an egg into this oil. We're basically making a fried egg with a difference. Okay, and while that egg starts firming up, I'm just going to sprinkle on some onions. Now some finely chopped tomatoes. Just make sure that everything is finely chopped for this recipe. And just add this only to the whites, not the yellow. Now my favorite part, some green chilies. Skip this if you don't want this to be too spicy, but I just think that's where all the fun is. While we're at it, some coriander leaves. I'm just going to tear these up. And just cover this and let the yolk cook as well slightly. Now this is such a simple dish, it's almost ready. Wow. The yolk has cooked through. I'm just going to turn off the heat. Now the cheese is already semi-melted, so the moment I put this egg on top of it, the cheese will start melting and become gooey again. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Place it over these 2 pavs with cheese on it. Yum. And who can say no to some more chili? Sprinkle that on top. That's red chili powder. Some black pepper powder. And never without salt. Now that is just how simple the Eggs Kejriwal is. The next one is a masala omelette. I'm going to use the same pan to make the masala omelette. I just love masala omelettes so much. They're so yum. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of oil because what I like to do is actually cook the onions and the ginger and garlic a little bit. I don't like it raw. So that's just a personal preference and I'm sure you'll like it my way. As soon as the oil heats up, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onions. Saute that a bit. And as soon as the onions turn translucent, I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger and same amount of finely minced garlic. Saute that again. While that sautés in this pan, I'm just going to whisk together 2 eggs in this bowl here. And add a pinch of salt. Okay, maybe 2 pinches of salt and a tiny pinch of black pepper powder. Just whisk this together. And now back to the frying pan. I'm going to add 1 tomato that's also been finely chopped. Saute that. Now to this, I'm also going to add some red chili powder. And about 1/4 teaspoon worth of cumin powder or jeera powder. Saute this together really well. Now this is totally optional, but if the red chili powder wasn't enough for you, add some finely chopped green chilies. I personally love it. It just gives such a kick to it. You will see that I've moved the masala right into the center of the pan. That's because I'm going to pour the whisked eggs right over it. Take the flame up to a medium one. And now at this point, I'm also going to sprinkle on some coriander leaves. Now I'm going to cover this and let this cook from this side as well. That's a beautiful masala omelette. You'll see that it's fluffed up slightly as well. I love a fluffy omelette. Just look at that. It's nice and brown on the other side. Beautiful and absolutely ready to eat. Now, if you love eggs and are looking for really quick breakfast recipes, don't forget to try these, especially the Egg Kejriwal. And for more such recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Get Curried. Bye!